Good evening. My name is Aria Simmons. I'm doing my lesson plan on topic 5, probability. And the name of my lesson is Exploring Chances with Colorful Bears. So, how I would introduce this activity, well, first I would gather my children, but once I gather my children, I will get a book first about either about bears or just a book about colors in general, so I can read it. So once I read a story, it can show a concept of what the children will learn about or what activity they will be doing. So I gather the children. I will explain, show them. After reading the story, I will explain what color will show up and put them on the counter to show them and demonstrate it. That will be like 5 minutes of introduction. After that, I will show an example. Place all the bears on the counters in a large container and give it a shake. And then I invite students to take one bear out, displaying it on the counter of the scene. So I would do like colors well, like in the pattern. So basically like red, blue, red, blue. Then I ask them what come after that. What come after the next color? Then they can tell me. So, which I do with my kids before, with my old students at that, but I haven't done it with my new kids. After that, I will do hands-on. Matter of fact, after that, I'm going to have them do it by themselves, and I will do a video to see how they do it. And after that, then we can start transition that into creative drawing activity, and they can do like colorful, like drawing bears. That can be 5 to 10 minutes. So I will provide each children with papers and crayons and have them draw favorite bears or colors. Or if they need like as adult assistance, then yes. But I will encourage them to share it from the class. I have kids come up to me all the time, Miss Ari, and they show me pictures. So yeah. So, but on the main note is to ensure students that it's important of taking turns and sharing doing this activity, especially with my kids. You got kids who don't like taking turns, so you got to explain that to them. So after I do that, activity, then I will do like a large group roundup, and I will just explain to my kids about, okay, well, what's your favorite part of the activity and stuff like that, And once we do that, then that'd be it. But the reason I chose this activity because I like the fact that it shows it will help their math ability skills. So when they go to school, they can learn it. Granted, they may not learn it in childcare. Well, I teach with pre-K, so they may not learn it in childcare. But however, by teaching it early on, it will help them get the concept. Now, math has not been one of my favorite subjects. However, if I'm going to teach a math class, I'm going to make it fun. I have to do that. I have to make it fun. So my kids can understand. However, I will do what it takes to make it fun. So, as I mentioned before, my activity is probabilities of topic 4. So I'm going to say thank you for taking the time out. My name is Aria Simmons, and thank you again. Have a good night.